Hello, my dear students of class 12. Welcome to the online class. How are you? I hope that you are fine. Dear students, I am Raghunath Bonik, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College, Uttara Dhaka. Dear students, today I will discuss the basic concepts of data collection, presentation, and interpretation of data. Dear students, let's start our class. Dear students, now I want to discuss the second chapter, data collection, organization and presentation of data. Construct a frequency distribution. At first, construct a frequency distribution. We find class, tally marks and frequency. First point, we find the highest value of the data and then lowest value of the data, then range equal to highest value minus lowest value. Next class mainly 5 to 25 এর মধ্যে থাকে। So class limit equal to range by 25 and range by 5 এর মধ্যবর্তী কোনো সংখ্যা। Class midpoint equal to upper limit of the class plus lower limit of the class. Real lower class boundary equal to lower class limit minus half into d. Real upper class boundary equal to upper class limit plus half into d. Here d equal to common difference between the upper class limit of any class interval and the lower class limit of the next class interval. Percentage frequency of class equal to frequency of the certain class divided by total frequency multiple 100. Frequency density equal to frequency of the certain class divided by class interval of the specific class. Relative frequency of the certain class divided by total frequency. Now data presentation by graph and diagram. Necessary rules for drawing histogram, frequency curve, frequency polygon and ogive curve. Histogram along x-axis class or real class, along y-axis frequency. Sample chart as shown below. Here we find the mode from histogram. Frequency x-axis mid value and y-axis frequency. The diagram is shown below. Here there is none value we can find. Have you understand, dear students? Next, frequency polygon. X-axis mid value and y-axis frequency. The diagram is shown below. Here we cannot find any value. Next, ogive curve. X-axis class of the upper limit, y-axis cumulative frequency. The diagram is shown below. Here from ogive curve we find the median, quartiles, decile, percentiles and frequency. Last one, number 5, bar diagram. In order to draw some simple bar diagram, x-axis difference value, the bar is shown below and middle এ দেখো গ্যাপ থাকবে। বার diagram is shown below. Okay, dear students, Now we can discuss a creative question. The obtained marks of 30 candidates in the first semester examination are given below: 34, 36, 31, 46, 76, 86, 42, 44, 32, 46, 40, 54, 66, 56, 50, 42, 33, 80, 77, 81, 46, 40, 60, 63, 64, 76, 56, 57, 57, 70. Now construct a frequency distribution by using exclusive method. We find the inclusive method also. And D number question, construct a stem and leaf diagram for this data and compare with the obtained frequency distribution in C. Solution C. Here highest below 81 and lowest below 31. So range equal to highest below minus lowest below, 81 minus 31 equal to 50. We know that the number of classes lies between 5 and 25. So the class interval will take any real number between range by 25. That means 50 by 25 equal to 2 and range by 5 equal to 50 by 5 equal to 10. Let us consider the class interval equal to 10. Table for calculation. Lowest below 31. So we can write starting 30 to 40 for exclusive method. Next 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. We know that the upper limit 40, this value we can find the next class. 40 identify the next class. Tally 30 to 40, there are 5 value and 4. Next cross দিয়ে আমরা tally indicate করেছি. Number of tally equal to frequency 5. In this way 40 to 58, 50 to 66, 60 to 74, 70 to 84, 80 to 74, 80 to 93, total 30. So dear students, I hope that you have understand. Next, this is very important for us, stem and leaf. Dear students, here highest below 31 and lowest below 31. Organizing all the data, the stem and leaf diagram look as follows. At first value 30 value, first number 3 and the value of the first second, 3 stem and 4, 6, 1, 2, 3 leaf. 40 numbers, among the 40 numbers 4 stem and 6, 2, 4, 6, 0, 2, 6, 0 leaf. 50 against a 5 stem and next value 4, 6, 0, 6, 7, 7 leaf. For the number 60, 6 stem and next value 6034 leaf. 7 in this way 7 stem, 6760 leaf. 8 stem, 601 leaf. By arranging the leaves in ascending order, the final stem and leaf diagram is shown below. Stem 3 and leaf আমরা অ্যারেঞ্জিং করেছি ascending order 1 2 3 4 6 4 0 0 2 2 4 6 6 6 5 stem 0 6 4 6 6 7 7 6 stem 0 3 4 6 7 stem 0 6 6 7 8 stem 0 1 6 কি 3 অবলিক 1 তাহলে 3 হচ্ছে স্টেম 1 হচ্ছে লিফ, দ্যাট মিন্স 31. 8/6 means 86, তাহলে 8 হচ্ছে স্টিম, 6 হচ্ছে লিভ। Comments: the individual values of the given data cannot be determined by separately, and it is also not possible to return again the given data in the obtained frequency distribution from C, but the individual values of the given data can be determined by separately, and it is also possible to return again the given data in the obtained the stem and the leaf from D. Hence, it is possible to give the correct concepts about the given data by the stem and leaf diagram, then the frequency distribution. Okay, dear students, I hope that you to understand the stem and leaf. You watch the video attentively. If you face any problem, discuss with me. Okay, today is no more. Thanks to all. Goodbye.